Hi, this is Tom Prendergast, teaching you how to build your own personal hive. It's kind of like the beginning of a lot of the lessons we're going to do. It all comes down to here. I call it your hive core. I'm doing this with an alias, so I've done some research on the identity of who this alias is going to be. Her name is going to be Annette Reed. It's going to be a woman. Her primary function is a market manager, an SEO analyst, and online training and teaching. She lives in Phoenix, Arizona. She's gone to the University of Phoenix. She has a Bachelor of Science in Education, and she has been employed for a good deal of time at Google. Therefore, she has a tremendous amount of expertise and knowledge in analysis, internet marketing, search engine optimization, web pages, assessing what works, what doesn't. A very high-end analyst. We're going to set up a Skype account, so that's where we start, so we can get a phone number. So we have to establish a phone number uniquely to our particular marketing program. And so I've got us sitting here at Skype. I'm going to sign in. I have a Skype account, and I'm going to log in with my Skype account. And I'm going to set up a phone number for that particular account because it doesn't have one. Therefore, we can utilize this quickly. I'm assuming all of you have Skype accounts. If you don't have it, it's a tremendously good tool to have. You can call anywhere in the world, flat rate of $13. You can utilize it. And if you're in the United States, you can call anywhere in the United States for free. You can put it on any of your iPads, your Droid tablets, your iPhones, your Droid phones, and utilize it on your laptops and your computers. So I'm going to sign in with my username passcode, and then I'm going to get a telephone. And to get that, I'm going to click here at Skype number. Get a Skype number. Of course, it's going to be here in the US, so I'm going to get a US number, and I'm going to prefer it in Arizona. 602 will be fine. We're going to just choose the first one. 602 910 5893. Okay, I'm going to make a note of that in my notepad, that this is my Skype phone. Okay. Continue. Okay, it's going to ask for me to pay Skype number 3-month subscription or the 12-month. I'm going to go with the Skype 12-month subscription. Okay, we're now processing your order. That should take no more than 30 minutes. TomGraybill@gmail. Once your order is completed, they're going to send me a confirmation, so hang on, I'm going to check that. Okay, I got the email. It says that my Skype number is good. So, what's the next thing on the docket? It's to set up our Gmail account. Then we'll set up our Google Plus, and then we'll set up our Google phone. Okay, so we're going to go to Google. We get Okay, so we went to create an account. So here's what we did for my particular account here. When account all Google, it says, put in your email and your password. Well, I'm setting up a new account, so I click on this link here, create a new account, and so we start putting in our information. Now, as I'm putting this together, remember that in doing a password, I do 16 digits. That's my minimum. I use upper, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and they like that. It says it's strong. Mobile phone, and we've got that now with our Skype account, remember? So I'm just going to copy that off of my cheat sheet. Here's my cheat sheet. I'm copying it right there. There's the password I made for the account. Don't have a current email account. Location, I agree to the terms. Next step. Okay, as we move forward with Google Plus and setting up our account, we need to add a photo. Well, I already have a photo prepared for Nanette Reed. And so we're going to select the photo from our computer. And there's the Google picture. Hopefully it's big enough because they want it to be 250 minimum by 250 minimum. Since it's uploading, it's an indication that it's big enough. There we go. Now I can take advantage of increasing its size and make a more logical picture. Set as profile picture. Next step. Your new email address is nanettereed@gmail.com. So we copy that. We go over here and we add it into our database. Well, our cheat sheet. Gmail account. Okay. And continue to Gmail. We don't need all of the tour stuff. All right. Now we want to go over to Google Plus. Okay, and in our profile of Google Plus, we can now change our cover. So, to change cover, we want the cover to be along the themes of Nanette Reed, who's a marketing manager, an SEO analyst, and an online training and teaching. Okay, that looks kind of good. So let's gonna export that back out. And we'll see how that looks. We'll do another upload, change cover, select the photo from computer. Alright, so there it is. Let's see how this looks. Select cover photo. There we go. I think that looks better. Okay, so where are we at now? Where do you live? Add location. I live in Phoenix. Well, let's just look at our little data sheet. And our zip is 8503. 85003. We're going to put that there. Yep, save and continue. Save and continue. All right, where do you go to school? University of Phoenix, Bachelor of Science in Education. I guess that's the right one. It's to study education from 2001 to save to continue. Save and continue. I worked at Google as a SEO analyst from 2011 to 2013. Save and continue. Save and continue email. The more information you put into the things that you do with Google, the more credibility you get. So talk about that for a second. The reason why we're doing all this is if you decide that you want to blog or do anything, conduct on the internet, and you want to get your stuff to the top of the search engines, this is the way you do it today. It used to be he who had the most backlinks won. Now it's he who has the most credibility and expertise in their field wins. So we're going to put in our phone number and the address, place or address, we'll just say Phoenix. Save and continue. Your profile is 100% done. Okay, so now we are done with our Gmail and Google Plus account. Right? Now we need to do our phone number and our Google, our Gmail. Our Gmail's set up. So let's go check out our Gmail. We should have Gmail good. Yep, Gmail's all set up, right? Yep, no net. Okay, so now let's go to Google and search Google phone. Google Voice. Get started. I accept the terms. Proceed. Creating your account. I want a new number. Phone number. Before choosing a Google Voice number, please add a forwarding phone that will ring when the number is called. Well, we've got that. That's our 602 number. Phone type. Mobile. Continue. Okay, call me now. My phone should ring. Okay, the phone call came in through my Skype phone. And I put in the numbers. So now it wants to know when anyone calls this number, it will ring all of your phones. So area, zip code, or city, search numbers. So let's try to get a number in the 602. Oh, good. So we're going to pick that one. Got it. All right, so now we have our Google number. That's the number that we're going to go around and give everybody. We're not going to give them our Skype number. Our Skype number we keep private. So that's our new number. All right, so we finish. So now we have our phone number. See, right here. Gmail account, Google Plus, Google Phone. So we have our Gmail account, Google Plus, and Google Phone done. We have our email address, our Google Phone, our name and username, password, and we set all that stuff up. I didn't keep track of it. That doesn't matter for the purpose of this. Okay, so anybody who calls me, the number shows up now on my Google Phone, which is really cool because it'll forward to your Google Mail. We're getting there. Now we're going to go set up, let's see, we're going to go set up YouTube. Sign in. Alright, so we've signed in. We're now signed in as a net read. We're going to go to my YouTube channels. And we want to create an advanced name for our YouTube channel. What did I just do wrong here? Create a channel. Okay. Create a new channel for your public videos and playlist. Learn more. Okay. YouTube settings. Edit on Google Plus. Internet. Change password. Advanced. Create custom URL. Here we go. Alright, custom URL. So what do we want? Do we want to be, well, we are a market manager. Okay, we got one. Analytical marketing. So we click on that. Okay, so analytical marketing. So we copy that. We're going to put that over here into our YouTube account. Not our account, but our cheat sheet. And the email that we're using there is the same here. So need for passwords. And in our we'll fill all of this out here later. Okay, so now it says add channel art. So we go back to our add channel art. Select the photo from your computer. And we're on YouTube. We want Nanette read. Click on that. And upload. Let's see how it looks. And then that read got the perfect title, Analytical Marketing. That's exactly what she is very, very good at. A director of marketing would pay her at least $200,000 to $300,000 a year for what she's capable of doing. That's a fact. Just the crop. No, I think our crop is good. Select. See how it looks. Okay, so now we got the YouTube channel done, other than making videos, but that'll be at a different seminar. So we've got to the YouTube. Now we're going to do LinkedIn, and we got Twitter, Discuss, WordPress, Pinterest, Instagram, a couple others. Okay, so next on our list, LinkedIn. We got the rest of these started. Nanette Reed. First name, start filling this stuff out. Okay, I've put in the name, the email, and a 16+ character extremely cryptic password. Pressing join now. Remember the password. So we're going to start creating our professional profile. So what is our zip code? 85003. I'm currently employed. Job title, marketing manager. Company. And in the industry of marketing. I would imagine that would be a good one for us to pick. We can always go back and change it. Marketing and advertising. Market research. That is her forte. Okay. Click create my profile. Start adding your email address. Okay, we've done that. We are logged into our Google Plus and Google account. So we accept. We have no contacts in our address book, so we skip. We don't need the app right now. We're just going to start with a basic account. I start working as a marketing manager. I'll just say January 2005. Save. marketing manager analyst at Google. Or, yeah, we'll say Google. Next. Two thousand 2011 to January 2013. Actually, it was September 2013. Save. Where else have you worked? Skip. Where'd you go to school? Well, we know we went to school, University of Phoenix, because we put all of that stuff in our cheat sheet. Save. We got a Bachelor of Science in Education. Education. Save. To 2007. She wasn't Alpha Phi Omega, so we'll just put her in that as Alpha. Alpha Phi Omega. Add a photo. Okay, so we're going to add a photo to increase professional opportunities. Okay, we need to go to our projects, Adobe Photoshop, LinkedIn. We don't have one there yet. So we probably have a photo in Google Plus, right? Copy it. So we're going to go back to Google. We're going to go back to Adobe Photoshop, and we're going to put it LinkedIn. This is how I keep track of this stuff. New. Nanette. Read. So we're going to paste it here, and we're going to choose it, open it here. Okay, there we go. Add to profile. Do we want to zoom? No, that's just fine. What are your areas of expertise? Marketing strategy. Marketing analytics. Articles. Marketing management. That should be good enough for now. Save. And analyze trends in the search patterns. Worked as part of a team in determining the value of the massive amount of websites competing for top SERP positions. These containers of sites came to us daily from the analytics of the Google and Bing algorithms. Also researched and produced reports based on trending keywords and their associated true value based on the websites that we are alerted to by the many algorithms in use. How's that for technobabble? Your profile's looking great. Okay, done. Let's see what else. Okay, skip. Follow influencers. Continue. Add interests. Alright, well, we'll follow professional women in marketing and advertising and entrepreneurship and small business and big data and economy, social media. Those are important things. See your new home page. Alright, one last thing to do, and that is to set up our unique URL to our LinkedIn account. You can't do this, many people forget about that. So you edit your profile. Okay, right here, you click Edit, and then customize your public URL. And since we are marketing analysts, we're going to put that. And it's available, Market Analyst. All right, so we set our custom URL. Right now, we want to see how this looks. Punch our link, and there's our link. Take our link, copy it, and put it into our LinkedIn account right there. Okay, next we're going to do is a Twitter account. Okay, so let's just open up another tab. Okay, here we are at Twitter. We need a name, so we're, the full name and that read. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So I've got it in my cheat sheet. Email, again, in my cheat sheet, Annette.read, and a password. So we got to come up with a password. And you know what I say about passwords. Make them 16 characters, upper lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Sign up for Twitter. Full name, create password, choose your username. Okay, password is perfect. Okay, no thanks. All right, we're going to get started. Basically, this is setting up your account to have a look to it. And start by following 5 people. So, who do we want to follow? Right here in the search thing here, I put in marketing. So I'm going to follow Mashable, HubSpot, e-marketing, let's see, social media, Adweek. I think that's more than enough, right? Yeah, next. Try 5 more. Well-known people. Okay. Alright, I typed in their engineers and I got search engine land. I'll follow that guy. He looks smart. Twitter engineers. Love to follow them. This is what makes us smart. By surrounding ourselves with even smarter people. LinkedIn engineers. Oh, there we go. And the geeky girl engineer. I like that. You know what the opposite of a marketer is? An engineer. WordPress engine. Yeah, let's follow that. WordPress is going to be an important part of what we're doing. Let's see what else. Let's see what's in Facebook. Let's see what we have for Facebook. Well, let's follow them. And Google. Matt Cutts. Let's follow him. There he is. I think that's the right guy. Yep. The head of the web spam team at Google. That's a good one to follow. Who do I want to follow that I personally know? Michael Kinnett. Yep. And let's see. Upload image. There we go. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Okay, we got our picture uploaded. And let's see what else do we do? I think we need to upload our header. Okay, so now we're going to add a header photo. So I already have the headers made in advance. So we're going to go upload that photo. It's right here. Looks good. Click apply. Let's see what we got. Move on to our next one. Yeah, you could probably spend about a week getting all this stuff really put into play the way you want it. Save changes. And let's go see, we'll go to home and see what it looks like. Okay, let's log out. Let's see, first of all, we really want to see what this looks like. So this is what we go to, and then we log out. And then we look at what we look like. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, move on to the next, and keep plugging away. Okay, so now we progress to Facebook, and this is pretty simple. Self-explanatory, so let's get it filled out. That's what we have set in our little cheat sheet. 1985, right? Yeah, female. All right, click on sign up, and we skip find your friends since we don't have any friends. We set up our current city, hometown, high school, university, Google, etc. to fill out that info. Now we're going to go to the profile. It's pretty quick and painless. Add people you know. I don't know any of these people. I'm going to show you how you do that later. So we're going to click next. Alright, upload a photo. Now we've got that photo ready to go, but we got to go put it into the Facebook. So we're going to go log or navigate. Upload that. Next. Take a privacy tour. Don't really need one. Add people you know. We're just going to click on home. And one last thing. We're going to go into our settings. Username. You have not set a username. Your account has been verified to change your username. Verify via mobile home. Okay, not a problem at all. We just go get our Gmail phone number, Google phone number, and we enter it. Continue, and we should get an email. There it is. See how cool that is? Enter your confirm. Bada boom. Turn on text notifications. Share your phone number with friends. Save settings. Cool, right? Now we want to change our Facebook.com username to what? Well, analytical marketing would be nice. Let's try that and see if we can get that in there. It's okay if we don't. And we need our Facebook password. Username's available. There we go. Okay, that's it for Facebook. And we're going to wrap this up. I'd like to, in making summary on wrapping this up, what we've done here is created our first step towards building a credible Hive. Our subsequent trainings are going to take this even more advanced. So pay attention, but thank you so much for coming, and I look forward to seeing you in our future meetings. We will have plenty. We're going to teach you things like setting up WordPress blogs, getting the Discuss and other plugins set up throughout your system. Ultimately what this does is it makes you into a credible expert and that's what Google looks for, and then that will help you skyrocket your search engine result pages according to what your expertise is. So stay tuned. We have a lot more to go over in our future meetings. Thank you so much for coming. This is Tom Prendergast signing off.